In this video, I'm going to talk about limit sharing. This is one of the features within the managed environment. Now, limit sharing adds basically guardrail on how broadly the users can share the Canvas app. We can share the limit to 99 or less users, which I'm going to demonstrate that to you in a while. Uh, it excludes sharing with a security group. So that means if you're actually sharing with a security group, then this limit sharing does not apply. However, it applies to if you are actually individually sharing this app with specific users uh, for using those apps. Okay, and it applies only to the Canvas apps. So if you see this screen now, how to configure the environment sharing is like first thing first, you need to have the environment as a managed environment. Now here under edit managed environment, if you see, there's a section called as limit sharing. Now by default, if you do not have a managed environment, then this is like don't set limits kind of a scenario. But if you have a managed environment, then you can click on exclude sharing with security group, and you can say that this app can be or maybe all the apps can be shared only to maybe say 10 users. Okay, and then you can save those settings. Now here there is a hard limit. Okay, so if I put 80, it will accept. Okay, but if I put maybe 100, okay, it will revert back to 99. So I can't put any number over here, it will still revert back to say 99. So that's the thing over here, and you can save this value. Now what do you mean by sharing this app is like if you have a say Canvas app. Okay, and if you are in say take for example, if I go into the managed environments, Girish Dev, and if I spot any Canvas app within this environment, here I can click on share, and then I can click on share, and here I can type the name of the person. Right now here in the list, I can only go up to say max 99. If I set the limit as say 5, then I can't go beyond 5 over here. However, if I share this with a security group, now I have a couple of security group created, then this particular limit will not apply. Okay, so that's the only thing is available from the share by limit feature. So you can only share with a specific user. So when you're sharing with a specific user, that limit applies, but if you're sharing with a security group, that limit does not apply. Okay, so it is mainly used for like kind of a governance purpose. So if an admin identifies that if it is shared, if this app is shared widely, then those app can become a candidate for an admin to identify what is the purpose of that app, and if that app is of super importance to the organization, then that app may be promoted from one environment to another, and then it can be productionized. If the app is just used for just testing purposes, then maybe it's a good candidate for removal, and then admin can take an action to remove this app. So that's it, folks. This is all about limit sharing feature within Microsoft Power Automate managed environment.